everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new Stamp and Colour mini kit. This one is called Aussie Sports and Friends, because not only is there little Aussie characters in here, we've got some cute little New Zealand friends as well. Let me open up this kit and show you what's inside our new kit. Now before I get started, this is actually going to be our very last Stamp and Colour mini kit in the current format. We have needed to make the very hard decision to finish making these kits, and we have a brand new style kit coming in February, which is a combination between the best of the Stamp and Colour minis and what is in our regular kits. But I'll tell you more about that after I show you this kit. So this is the cute little stamp, and you've got all these gorgeous little characters in there, little Aussie characters, and as I said, the little kiwi. We have got a laser cut, which has got "You are the best," "To my champ," "Best wishes," "Hooray," and "Congratulations." And these are the beautiful papers, which are really small format, which is perfect for card making and card making size. Love these. This is the cut apart sheet, so you can cut out with your essential dies if you want, or you can use a punch or just cut them out. And we have, of course, got the little magazine. Now, before I show you that, there is actually a second stamp. So this one was the Aussie Sports and Friends, and this one is Aussie Winners. And also the cute little, this is a traditional New Zealand bird too, I am told. And they are really, really cute. Of course, you can add on the 2 fussy cutting dies, and we have a new stencil, which is called, it's called Victory, that's right, Victory Stencil, which is really cute. Let me show you some of the cards that Ashley's brought in, and then I can show you a couple others in the book. So these are really cute with the little birds and the balloons, the crocodile, "To my champ," "You are the best," with all the Aussie stuff, and these cute little guys, little wombat and platypus playing cricket, and the barbecue. Now in the book there is a whole bunch more. Look how gorgeous that is. Cute little scene with the slimline cards. The arches just work beautifully. Some Ashley's cards. These ones here with the barbecue scenes, oh my, they are my favourites. And of course we've got some more cricket and different ones as well. So this is the new mini kit, and I said it will be the very last one. So yeah, the new kits will have images that you can colour. They'll have them printed on Copic blending card, and they will have them printed on watercolour card, as well as creative cuts, because we know a lot of you guys that are not normally colorists still love the images. So they'll have creative cuts, A5 pad, very similar to what we did with the Oh What Fun kit, but it will have the best of both worlds of all the kits, and they'll be releasing in February, so we'll tell you more about them soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you love this kit, and until next time, bye.